Hey everyone, my name's Tracy. I'll be your instructor for this course. I just wanted to show you a few things on here, just A, so you can see my face, and B, so you have an idea of what's going on. So welcome to English 30-2. This is an asynchronous course, so that means we are not meeting at a certain time every day. You are just doing this at your own pace, and you have 20 weeks to finish. You should have received an email from me saying kind of what your due date was for your course. If you're not sure about that, feel free to email or message me through here. So this is your Moodle class. I just want to point out a few things. So hopefully you know how to get to this page. You'll have a dashboard that looks slightly different than mine. Okay, but what you want to do to select this class is select this one here. Okay, and then there's a little introduction to the course. I really want to point out on this right-hand side here, this is called the Remind app. So that's a way for us to text one another without having to know each other's actual phone numbers, just for safety and security. And it's a really good way for me to communicate with the whole class or with you individually. If you scroll down a little bit further, right here is where you sign up. If you scroll down a little bit further, this is the course. So my suggestion is you go through the orientation, okay? And really read through everything very carefully so that you have a really good idea. And then each of these blue tabs will open each of the units, okay? On the right-hand side, there's some quick links to the outline, what materials you need in terms of books. Most of the readings are provided online, but some of the things you will have to order through the bookstore or find your own way to do that. You can borrow from a library, or you could buy on Amazon, or however you think, whatever works best for you. That's basically it. I just wanted to give you a quick intro. Feel free to email me here. Feel free to message me on the Remind app. I'll do my best to get back to you guys as soon as I can. The one big thing I want to let you know is a lot of people tend to not do very well because they don't do the teaching part of the assignment. They don't read what the concept is before they do the assignment. So I really want to encourage you to take the time to actually read the instructional content before you start to do the assignment. But all the best, and again, let me know if you have any questions. Have a good day.